Tish 21.
Time to get some new tires put on this thing. Not because we drifted the shit out of them and burned them out. No, that's definitely not the reason. The winters I have on these are pretty good, but we got some new ones with some better tread. So I actually picked up some Blizzaks. I don't know if you can see the tread there. Hold up. We got some Blizzaks with a lot more meat on them, so we should have a lot more fun in the snow with those guys, because I know you guys definitely like those sliding videos, so I want to make sure I give you guys the most I can of those. The way this exhaust setup has changed this car, it's fantastic. So just brought the AMG, almost like G, over to my boys at Desi Auto over here. I'm going to take a look at it underneath the car, see what kind of exhaust work Centerline did for the H-pipe, because I haven't taken a look at it yet. The winter tires I got on the car aren't that great. They're kind of alright, so we got some new ones to put on right now. I got some Blizzaks this time. So it should be, this setup should be amazing on this car in the snow. With the P31 LSD, it should be absolutely fantastic. So let's take a look at the car and see how it looks underneath. And so far, I've had no issues with this car. The white one that I had, guys, that one had some issues. Parking sensors were, failing on that one, and I even had issues with the mirror. What do you call it? The blind spot monitor on the mirror. Also on the white car, I had a rear right shock blowout, so that thing was leaking oil, and the diff had a leak on the seal on the driver's side seal and on the drive shaft seal. So this one's in a lot better shape. As you can see, we have the resonator at the back there deleted with a simple straight pipe, and then we have the H pipe put in, as you can see right there, and that is a 0.75 inch diameter bridge, and that's all you need to get the perfect sound out of this car. You can even go down as low as a 0.5 inch, which is the recommended size, and that actually mimics the factory resonator design without resonating the exhaust. It's absolutely amazing sounding. I do wish it was a little louder, but that might just mean that I have the perfect setup to basically go into a complete catless system. So I could maybe down the road do a long tube header, and it might still be perfectly not too loud inside the car. Outside the car, on the other hand, it's really freaking loud. So this is what I have left of these tires here. Not too bad. Probably still about like 30, 40, 45% at least. So the new ones, as you can see, much more tread, at least from what you can see over here. Let's see how it goes. We got some nice meat now, boys. Looking like a juicy steak out here. Can't wait to try these out in the snow.
Want some eggs? Make some eggs?
She's smoking.
Bacon?
Holy shit. Holy shit. You hear that shit?
Fucking try to sell the job, man.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.